Hello everyone, welcome to Diako Travel channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into one of the most unique and beloved celebrations in Iran, Yalda Night. Have you ever wondered why this night is so special? Why do families gather around, share fruits, and recite poetry? Stick with me, and I promise you'll discover fascinating traditions and stories that make this night unforgettable. The history of Yalda Night. Yalda, or Shabe Yalda, has deep roots in Persian culture, going back to ancient times. The celebration marks the longest night of the year, when darkness is at its peak and the light slowly begins to return. Imagine sitting around the table with your loved ones, sharing stories, enjoying these fruits, and making memories that last a lifetime. By the way, can anyone tell me why pomegranates are considered so symbolic in Iranian culture? I bet only the true Yalda experts know the full story. Leave your answer in the comments. Let's see who gets it right. Past versus present Yalda celebrations. In the past, Yalda celebrations were simple, with families gathering in the warmth of their homes, lighting fires, and reading poetry. Hafez, the famous Persian poet, played a central role in the celebration. People would even open his book randomly and let the poems guide their fortunes for the year ahead. But today, while many of these traditions are still alive, Technology and modern life have changed how people celebrate. Instead of sitting around a fire, now people might be glued to their phones or watching TV. Still, the essence of the night, celebrating family, love, and the victory of light over darkness, remains unchanged. Conclusion. So, whether you're celebrating in Iran or around the world, Yalda Night is a perfect opportunity to reflect on the year that has passed and to hope for the light to come. I hope this video gave you a glimpse into this special celebration and sparked your curiosity about Iranian culture. If you've ever celebrated Yalda, or if you have any unique traditions from your own culture that you'd like to share, make sure to comment below. I'd love to hear your stories. And remember, if you want to explore more of Iran's hidden gems and rich traditions, be sure to check out my other videos and subscribe to Diako Travel for more.